Hey friends! If you've ever thought eating gluten-free means boring breakfasts, today I'm here to completely change your mind. Because in this video, I'm sharing delicious, satisfying, and totally gluten-free breakfast ideas that taste so good, you won't even miss the bread.
Stick with me because I have sweet, savory, grab and go, and even a surprise dessert for breakfast option. By the end, you'll have a whole new breakfast menu that's not just healthy, it's crave-worthy. Now, before we dive in, let me know in the comments, are you a sweet breakfast person or a savory breakfast person? First up, we're making fluffy, gluten-free pancakes that could easily be served in a cafe. These are light, airy, and so delicious, you will never believe they are gluten-free. The trick with gluten-free flour is not to overmix, just whisk until combined. That way your pancakes stay soft and fluffy instead of gummy.
Cook each side for about 2 minutes until golden brown. Stack them high, add some fresh berries, and drizzle with maple syrup.
Next, let's go savory with a gluten-free breakfast bowl that's hearty and protein-packed. This one will keep you full until lunchtime. Start with quinoa instead of oats. It's naturally gluten-free and loaded with protein. Add in roasted sweet potatoes for a touch of sweetness. This is basically your breakfast upgraded into a power bowl. It looks gourmet, but it only takes 15 minutes if you prep your sweet potatoes ahead of time. Okay, for my sweet breakfast lovers, this one is for you. We are making a gluten-free granola parfait that is perfect for busy mornings.
Bake the granola at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until golden and crunchy. Then layer it with creamy yolk.
The best part? You can prep these in advance and just grab one on your way out the door. No excuses for skipping breakfast anymore. And there you have it, gluten-free breakfast ideas that actually taste amazing. Whether you like sweet, savory, or something you can grab on the go, these recipes prove gluten-free doesn't have to mean flavor-free. Let me know your favorite in the comments below.
If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick vegan meals.